Hi, I'm Ryan Thwaits, co-owner and lead designer of the Model I product. The inspiration for the Model I comes from a lot of my past experience in the lightweight market. It's a segment that I knew the best, and when we sat down as owners and kind of divided up what we were going to do, obviously Nate with his with the toy hauler market and Micah and profile market, the lightweights was something I was passionate about. So probably for the last 10 to 15 years, you know, I've dreamed about getting back into the lightweight segment. And so I've had a lot of time to think about what we wanted to do and what we wanted to create. And so that's what got us to where we're at today. So the Model I is a piece that we've had a lot of demand for with customers. And you know, it's going to fit into the lightweight travel trailer segment. It's going to allow families that have half-ton vehicles or larger SUVs to join the Brinkley family. Even though the Model I is a lightweight product, we still have a lot of the same DNA as the rest of the Brinkley product, including automotive exterior with the Brinkley seal package, frameless windows, and then the residential interior. Another thing we tried to do was maximize storage in the Model I. In our bedrooms, you'll find a dresser with 4 deep drawers along with a hideaway wardrobe that is an industry's first. The kitchen features tons of things they don't usually find in a lightweight travel trailer. Solid surface countertops, dovetail drawers, pull-out pantry, 12 cubic reefer, pull-out trash can, and of course our famous paper towel holder, just to name a few. When you walk up to the Model I, the first thing you'll notice is the windows, and it really opens up the interior of the unit. And one thing that cannot go unnoticed is the 72 by 48 front window that we'll use standard in all of our floor plans. With the Model I, we maximize your entertainment experience and provide you a projector where you can have movie night on the inside or the outside. The Model I took the Brinkley automotive exterior to a whole nother level with the painted aluminum exterior sidewall. The painted aluminum exterior is UV resistant, it's easy to maintain, and it will look great for years and years. So the Brinkley team has put years into developing the Model I, from the design stage to the building stage to taking out and actually camping in the unit. And now we're excited to get it out to customers to get your feedback before we start production. We're excited for you to see the new Model I, and we'll see you at the shows.